So we are at day 7 of the Smoothie Bomb Challenge, and I'm going to be enticing you with an apple pie smoothie today using the Golden Chai Smoothie Bomb. Now this is my favorite. I'm not gonna lie, I know some people find this one a little bit spicy. I absolutely love the flavors in it because it's got ginger, cardamom, cinnamon, all those spices that you find when you're having a chai tea, and that's like one of my favorite things to do. So I hope that by doing it this way, you'll see how awesome this flavor actually is. So let's start with putting some ice in. Because I'm using fresh fruit here, the ice is kind of important to keep it cold. Fresh banana, 1 whole banana. And then apple. Just a sweet apple that you use and cut it up, take the skin off. Oat milk, it just makes it the apple pie. And then we're going to crumble a Golden Chai Smoothie Bomb in. And then put your wrapper in a compost bin. And then, here we are. Do the best you can with getting it down into as small pieces as you can. There we go. This one just smells a bit like a ginger biscuit. Okay, let's put the lid on. Remember, 60 seconds, especially if you've got a good blender. If you've got one that's not so great, let it go a little bit longer. So that is ready. Let's have a look at that. Now remember, the great thing about the Golden Chai is that it's got turmeric, and all those spices are really awesome for reducing inflammation and really good for your immune system. Let me know if you enjoy this one.